How many women have to be raped and murdered before you start doing anything? How many children have to die at the hands of vile criminals and murderers before you realize what is happening outside? How many seniors have to become victims of those criminals in Europe before you start thinking about the future of Europe and the safety of Europeans? We just need to secure our external borders right now, immediately, and we need to protect our borders at all costs. People just deserve this safety. And we need to start with mass deportations right now. Every illegal immigrant from Europe has to be deported. Even every legal immigrant who does not respect our way of life and our laws and committed a crime has to be deported. And as soon as you do this, you will realize how the narco-trafficking problem, which we are discussing right now, just disappears. As soon as you do this, you will see how the numbers of rapes, violent attacks and murders just drops down. And if you are not ready to fight for Europe, then we need to replace you, defeat you in the elections, and save Europe for our children.
Yeah, thank you, colleague.